Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Gadgets Insider. We are coming up with another great video for the best electric toothbrushes in 2024. Top 5 picks you can buy on Amazon. Number 1. Aquasonic Black Series. Introducing the Aquasonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. Complete oral care, powerfully effective. ADA accepted for superior quality. Sleek design with a 4,000 vibrations per minute motor, wireless charging, 4 modes, and 8 brush heads included. Elevate your dental routine with this modern electric toothbrush for a healthier, whiter smile. Experience excellence in oral hygiene with this feature-packed toothbrush. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 2. Philips Sonicare 4100. Introducing the Philips Sonicare 4100 Power Toothbrush. Achieve superior oral care with this rechargeable electric toothbrush in black. It removes up to 7x more plaque than a manual toothbrush. The 2-minute smart timer with quad pacer ensures dentist-recommended brushing time. With a pressure sensor and 2 intensity settings, it protects sensitive gums. The brush head replacement reminder ensures effectiveness, while the battery lasts for 2 weeks with a battery light indicator. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 3. Colgate Hum. Introducing the Colgate Hum Black Electric Toothbrush. Experience powerful sonic vibrations and personalized guidance for optimal oral care. The 2-minute timer and 3 customizable modes ensure thorough brushing. Rechargeable with a 10-day battery life, it comes with 2 brush heads, a convenient case, and charger. Elevate your brushing routine with Colgate Hum and achieve a healthier, brighter smile effortlessly. Take control of your dental health today. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 4. Oral-B Series 6. Introducing the Oral-B Series 6 Electric Toothbrush. Experience Oral-B's advanced technology for exceptional results. Remove 100% more plaque. Achieve 3x healthier gums in 1 week. Enjoy smart brushing with display, tracking time, refill reminders, and the AI-powered Oral-B app. Protect gums with the IO pressure sensor. Personalized brushing with 5 modes: daily clean, sensitive, whitening, gum care, and intensely clean. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. Number 5. Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige. Introducing the Philips Sonicare 9900 Prestige Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. Experience SenseIQ technology for customized oral care. Removes up to 20x more plaque. Promotes 15x healthier gums in 6 weeks. One-touch control with touch interface design. Sleek, compact with premium leatherette travel case. Includes 1 connected Sonicare Prestige toothbrush handle with SenseIQ, 1 premium all-in-one brush head, 1 charging stand, 1 travel case. If you like this product, please check out the Amazon link in the description below. We are done for today. See you again next time. Thank you.